This dance is called I'll Be Here. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improve a level line dance with 2 tags. Starting on the right foot, walking back 2 steps. So you walk back right, back left. Into a coaster step, back, close, step. Step forward on the left, lock the right behind the left, and then add on a step, lock, step, step, lock, step. That set of steps once more, then walking back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, lock, step. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter turn left, cross shuffle, right over left, cross, side, cross. Rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, into a little weave, crossing the left behind the right, right to the side, cross the left over. That set of steps once more, step pivot off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross. Let's add that to the top. Walk it back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross. You're going to walk forward 2 steps, making half a turn to the right, right, left. Then add on a quarter turning shuffle, right foot leading. Turn, shuffle. Rock forward on the left, recover your weight on the right. On the and count, bring the left back beside the right and walk back 2 steps, right, left. So you're making a nice 3/4 arc in this first part of this section. Walking forward on that right, making that half a turn. 7, 8, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, back. So like I said, that is a 3/4 turn that you're actually making in the first half of that section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do is rather than making that turn, just walk back 2 steps, right, left, then cross the right behind the left, make a quarter turn, left, you step forward on that left, and step forward on the right. So non-turning steps should you need to try and take that 3/4 of a turn out from that section. Otherwise, let's add that to the top. Walking back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, back. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Turn and face the 7:30 diagonal as you shuffle forward on the right. Rock forward on the right, left, recover your weight on the right. As you do so, you're going to square yourself back up to the back wall. Step the left diagonally back to the left towards 130, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more, then back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, right shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch. End of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, 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 rock, right shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking back on the right. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall, and we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. Walking back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, 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 rock, right, shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, 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 rock, right, shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 tags in this dance. They come at the ends of walls, which makes it slightly easier, but they are different. So your first tag comes at the end of wall 4. You will be facing the front wall when you come to do it. Quite simply, your tag, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. Step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left. Do that for you once more, rocking back on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, step, pivot, forward, rock. Single count timing throughout that tag. But you have got a full turn in the middle of it. Double step, pivot, half. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, just turn it into a rocking chair. So rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover. Non-turning steps should you need to take that full turn out from that tag. So like I said, it's the end of wall 4 where you come to do that tag. Wall 4 is our 6 o'clock wall. So let's go through wall 4, add the tag, restart the dance. Walking back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, 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 rock, right, shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch, tag, back, rock, step, pivot, forward, rock, restart, back, back, coaster, step, lock, step. So that is your first tag. End of wall 4, you're facing 12 o'clock. Your second tag comes at the end of wall 9. So wall 9 will be your 12 o'clock wall. You will be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do the tag. Your tag, quite simply on this occasion, step forward on the right, pivot quarter left, step forward on the right, pivot quarter left. 2 step pivot quarters, again single count timing. Step, pivot quarter, step, pivot quarter. So let's do wall 9, 12 o'clock wall, add on the tag and restart. Walking back on the right. 7, 8, back, back, coaster, step, lock, step, pivot, cross, shuffle, side, rock, behind, side, cross, walk, walk, turn, shuffle, forward, rock, and back, 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 rock, right, shuffle, forward, rock, back, touch, tag, step, pivot, restart, back, back, coaster, step, lock, step. So hopefully you can see how those 2 tags fit in. End of wall 4, your longer tag, back rock, step pivot, forward rock, and then the end of all 9, double step pivot quarter. So that is it. That is your dance, your walk through, and your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Back, coaster step, step, rock, step, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, walk, turn shuffle, forward rock and back, rock, right shuffle, forward rock, back, touch, back, coaster step, lock, step, get it, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, walk, turn shuffle, forward rock and back, rock, right shuffle, step, pivot, back, touch, back, coaster step, lock, step, it, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, walk, turn shuffle, forward rock and back, rock, right shuffle, forward rock, back, touch, back, coaster step, lock, step, pivot, cross shuffle, side rock, behind side cross, walk, turn shuffle, forward rock and back rock shuffle to tag wall, forward rock, back, touch, tag, back rock, step, pivot, forward rock, back, pivot, walks, back rock, back, pivot, walks, back rock, back, pivot, So next tag wall. Tag, step, pivot, bye-bye. You feel you've reached the end of the road. Don't be afraid, I'll always guide you home. You should know I'm never gonna let you down. Always gonna build you up. When you're feeling lost, I will always find you right. Never gonna walk away. Always gonna have your back. And if nothing else, you can always count on that. When you need me, I will be here. I'll 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 be here. Hope you managed that one.